With the introduction of Windows 10 Build 18.03, Microsoft has completely removed home group features from Windows 10, as well as made several changes relating to network authentication. As a result, many people are now having troubles accessing their old network shares. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you the dreaded cannot find network path error. So I'm going to take a stab in the dark here. If you're watching this video, you've scoured every forum or YouTube video known to man desperate to restore access to your network shares, and Google's been a massive letdown. Well, the reason none of these solutions work is because they only tackle one part of a three-part problem. Let's start with part one. Network discovery is not working. Essentially, when you open Windows Explorer and select networks, you can't see any other computers. This is a result of several necessary services required for network discovery now being disabled by default. So let's re-enable them. Holding down the Windows key, press R. This will bring up the Run dialog box. In the dialog box, type services.msc and hit OK. Here we need to change the startup type to automatic and start the following services. Number 1. Function Discovery Provider Host. We double click the service, change startup type to automatic and start the service if it is not running, then click OK. Now we repeat this process for Function Discovery Resource Publication, SSDP Discovery, TCP IP NetBIOS Helper, and UPnP Device Host. This should now re-enable network discovery with one exception. You won't be able to see any shares broadcasting in SMB v1, which takes us to our next step, reinstalling SMB v1 support. Click the Start button and in the search box type Turn Windows Features on or off, then click the main result. Scroll down to SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support and enable it by ensuring all of its components are ticked. Now click OK. Now we have full network discovery re-enabled, which brings us to our last problem. In update 18.03, Microsoft disabled insecure guest logons. This essentially made accessing public folders and other non-password protected shares incredibly difficult. We're going to reverse that. Holding down the Windows key, press R to open the Run dialog box. Type GPEdit.msc to open the Group Policy Editor. Now, I won't leave you guys in a lurch here as many of you will not be able to find it. Simply means you're running Windows 10 Home. Windows 10 Home does not include the GP editor by default. If the Group Policy Editor does not open, pause this video now and download the file in the video's description. Once downloaded, right click on the file and run as administrator. This will install the Group Policy Editor on Windows 10 Home. Once this process is complete, you can return to the video and try reopening the Group Policy Editor. Now that we have the Group Policy Editor open, under the Local Computer Policy, navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Network, LAN/MAN Workstation, and double-click on Enable Insecure Guest Logons. Click Enabled, then click OK. That's it. Your network shares should now be operating as intended. If this video helped you out, please comment, like and subscribe to be notified when new videos are posted. Thanks again for watching. Cheers.